I rather hope they might bark or something or make some sort of noise, but they don't. I suppose these bits sort of flap around a bit. And then the third one doesn't work, even though I've changed the battery. So that gives us an excuse to take it apart, doesn't it? Well, I'm sorry, but I think this might end up being like that. Okay. Right now it will start working again. No. Okay, it doesn't want to work. Okay, we've got a black wire there that looks suspiciously like it ought to be on there. I think that's what our problem is. Put a meter and see if we've got battery across those 2 points. Yep, that's our battery. Well, we're going to have to go that bit further, aren't we? I expect the legs are probably, or the wheels, whatever we want to call these, are probably stopping it coming apart. Can we encourage that off? Yes. Off we come. So I think that will all now come apart. Something's still holding it. Bit stiff on that shaft. Oh, there we go. Red wires come off there. So black wire would come off there, red wires come off there. Bit of soldering. Gears look okay. Right, I'll get a soldering iron out, solder that, solder that. That looks like that's got trapped when they've put it together. Got trapped in there. Should be up under there. So this one's probably never worked. Close up, electric motor, gears. Any of them lift out easily? There we go, got a, can we see in there? There's a worm gear in there that drives this one. That drives that one, drives that one, drives that one, and that would make. Take that one out so we can turn them easily. Yeah, that would make our legs go round, and on this side we can see we've got a linkage there, so all 4 legs move on this one, whereas these other ones it's just the front 2 legs. Yeah, there's no linkage in there for those ones, for the back legs, so it's just this one moves all four legs. Right, well I'll get my soldering iron out and I'll solder that one back on there and that one on there. Just out of interest, that's got a little spring. Can you see that little spring cam thing in the middle, or keep the clutch mechanism, so it can be turned without breaking the worm gear that's in there. I need to tin that a little bit. One, solder on there. Oh, big blob of it. Oh. Motor started running as soon as I touched it on there. So, turn it on. There we go. Leg turning and the other leg moving. Right, what's the chances of remembering how it went back together? This bit should be straightforward. I don't know what glue they've used. It looks like hot glue, but it's much harder than that. Yeah, oh, that's better. There's the glue. I don't know what sort of glue that is. Like I say, it looks like hot glue, but it's not. Still, that'll make it easier now. We can get it on in one go. That goes over there, like that. Ears. Let's get that on and then worry about the ears in a minute. Oh, that's jamming. A bit of plastic sticking out there. Gotta get it apart now to get that bit of plastic out of the way. Better. I hope this hasn't all gone out of focus while I've been working on this. That'll be disappointing. Okay, I had the ears the wrong way round. Little slots for them to go into. Right, so success. Oh, the tail to go on there as well, isn't there? What happened to that? There. Right, which way round does that go? That way. Right, put the screws back in. So what have they got written on them? Spin Master International, SARL, 16 Avenue Pasteur, Luxembourg. Made in China.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.